The exponential moving average is my most profitable trading indicator, and today I'm going to be showing you exactly how I make the most amount of profit using the EMA, why it's one of the best trading indicators to use, and exactly how I use it. Don't forget to smash the like and subscribe for future videos. Let's jump straight into it. Before I get to actually explaining and diving into the EMA, let's actually get the EMA on your own chart. So I'm going to delete it. Come to your indicators here. I'm just going to be using TradingView, so any charting platform will work. Click on the indicators section, and then we will go ahead and type in the exponential moving average. Once you've found the moving average exponential, we'll add it to our chart. We'll see it will initially be this blue line. Go ahead and double click on this line. We can also see it on this left-hand side. We can come to the settings and click on the specific settings. From here, we'll change this length to 20. Now, this is extremely important because the 20 exponential moving average is the indicator that works the best for this profitable strategy. I'll change the line to orange and make it just slightly thicker on the chart. Let me go ahead and actually explain the two forms of this exponential moving average, because we can see the EMA can either be in a negatively sloped or a positively sloped trend. So let me go ahead and explain that to you now. The EMA, if it is in a negatively sloped trend, it will begin in the top left of the chart and go down to the bottom right. This slope on the EMA, the actual direction of its slope is negative, which means a negatively sloped EMA, we can only ever look for shorts. We only ever want to look for lower prices because this has the highest probability. Now, in comparison, the EMA can also have a positive slope where the slope will begin in this bottom left section and move to the top right. This right here, the slope of the EMA is positive. Positively sloped EMA means we only ever want to look for a trade in the trend direction, and the trend direction is positive. So they're the two most simple forms that the EMA can be in, and they're easily represented on the chart. Like we can see here on the long-term chart of Bitcoin, we have hugely massive negatively sloped exponential moving average. And then during bull trends, we can see the EMA is basically only moving from bottom left up and to top right. Now, you might ask, okay, now that we understand the EMA, we understand its slope, how can I use this to find high probability trades, to find profitable trades in the market? Well, what we'll focus on is once we've found the overall slope of the exponential moving average, like we can see, let's say we're only looking at price action between this point here and this point right here. So we can actually move all other price action out of the way. What we focus on is, where is the slope currently pointing? We're looking right here in this point. What's the direction of the slope? Well, the slope is moving from bottom left to top right. We have a positive slope on the EMA. It means we only ever look for trades in the trend direction. Now, where do we want to look for trades? Well, what's most likely is that once we have a positive slope on the EMA and price is well above the EMA, so here is the overall moving average, and here is where price is currently trading. When price is above the EMA, it's very likely that eventually we will get a retest where price is well above the EMA traveling, and eventually we come back and touch the average price. This is a perfect entry position because we're finally coming back to the average price. When the overall trend direction is positive, it gives us a really high probability play to look for longs in this section right here. And as we see, and we move along, we had a huge explosion to the upside as we continued to follow the trend. Now, you might also say in this section right here, well, The EMA didn't exactly work as a support. Look, the price went well below the EMA, but we did continue in the trend direction. And this is a very important factor of the EMA, is that it's not going to act as, say, a perfect price point every single time. Sometimes we might get a price point and we get that perfect push in the trend direction. But what this is also showing is if we have a massive positively sloped EMA, when price does come below this exponential moving average, like in this entire region, the price was below the EMA. This is a great position to look for a trade in the trend direction. It's a high probability play. We can buy low and look for much higher prices. And as we saw, price below the EMA, we got a huge explosion to the upside. Price nearly came back exactly to retest the EMA and continued in the trend direction. Like we can see this orange line clearly moving from bottom left to top right. Clearly a massive positively sloped. We only ever want to trade in that one direction. Then as we continue along the trend, EMA here in this point worked perfectly as a support before we continued higher. Even in this section right here, yeah, sure, price, this is where the EMA was, and price was traveling well below. But again, we see a massive positive slope on the EMA. We also see price below the EMA. It's giving us a high probability trade to look for the trend direction trade. And again, very, very similar. Every time we push well above the EMA, come back and retest, and then we get more continuation in the trend direction. Now, eventually the trend is going to shift. As we can see in some of the latest price action for Bitcoin, what has actually changed? We'll look at the slope of the EMA. It's now changing, and just in this small section from here to here, we've got the EMA moving from top left to bottom right. If you remember from the start of the video, what does that mean? That means that the higher probability play is a trend continuation move. And right now it's showing potential trend is to the downside, especially when we see how heavy the slope is. You know, we can have a slope of the EMA that's just slightly moving from top left to bottom right. But look at the slope here. It's nearly vertical, where prices, or the EMA price, is nearly vertical in slope. And that slope direction also tells us that it's a higher probability that now we are flipping, because we can even compare back to this short bear run. The overall slope was just slightly bearish, only slightly moving from top left to bottom right. But definitely in this section, we're seeing a massive slope to the downside. Also go back to the last bear trend, because I want to show you basically the exact same trades are happening, but to the downside. Once we see right in this section right here, where do we have? We have a very negatively sloped EMA. What's happening? We're getting lower prices. Price comes back to the exponential moving average, uses it as a resistance point, rather, and opposite to how we just saw, the EMA was actually used as a support in a positive trend direction. But now we have a negative slope moving from bottom left, from top left to bottom right. And every time price comes close to the EMA, we're actually retests, we're getting a lot of rejection and continuation of the trend. We're always focusing on the overall slope of the EMA. Once we get a huge change in slope, like we can see here, we nearly saw a V-shaped type recovery in the overall exponential moving average. We were massive negatively sloped, and then we quickly moved to massive positively sloped. Those type of movements are very high indicators that the trend is changing, and that's sort of what I'm seeing here. We basically had a V shape, but in the opposite direction, where we're moving massive positive to the upside, and now looks like we're moving massive positively to the downside. This region here is telling me it could be a high probability play that we are getting that trend shift. So really love to use the exponential moving average. During this bull run, it's been the most profitable indicator. Leave a comment if you'd like to see more, because I could honestly make an hour-long video on how to use this exponential moving average the most profitable way. If you have enjoyed the video, tap the notification bell, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.